Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you are waiting for your Vinted payout, not sure if the money has been sent yet. You can track your payout status directly inside the app. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually check the Vinted payout status fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, open the Vinted app if you are on basically a mobile, talking about iOS or Android type of phones. You can go to App Store, Google Play Store, download the Vinted app and open it. Use your login, I'm talking about email address, password to access your profile. Otherwise, I'm just gonna go to the website, vinted.com. So we're gonna go, same steps, just log in. Then go all the way to your balance. So for example, I'm gonna go to my wallet here. Then look for transaction history or payment history. Find your withdrawal, then check the status. Is it pending, processing, or fully completed? Then the status basically means if it's on pending, it's waiting to be processed. If it's like already on processing, it's sent to your bank. If it's completed, it means that successfully transferred. So make sure it's basically there if they are saying that it's completed. As for more tips, bank transfers may take like 1 to 5 business days. Weekends and holidays can cause more delays. If it's say completed but you haven't received funds after several days, you should contact your bank first before contacting the Vinted support. And that's the main idea here. So thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.